Alright, so this one is the IKFK setup that we have. So only these two last are different. So I can name it this one as a lamb arm joint, and last one is the lamb joint. Okay, so this arm we'll just keep it first. Later we'll have another set for this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, the difference with IKFK, right? Only these have these two extra. The rest are the same, and the setup for this arm 1, 2, 3 are different. These three joint, we're using this IK controller to do it. Okay, so by the way, we only need another one for this one. So we need to have duplicate this set come out. Okay, 1, 2, duplicate 2 set. Okay, the arm we don't need. Okay, this one I'm turning out easier for guys to see it. 比较容易看一点点。Let me rename. This one will be FK arm. Oops. FK arm. FK arm. And this three will be IK. Let me just prefix it lazier. IK arm. Okay. So we got FK and IK. For this one as an original. This 1, 2, 3 as original. So the effector in here we can just delete it already. So this one is for IK setup. We delete the IK, we remove it already. So in here we do another set for IK here. Skeleton, create IK from here to here. So this one is a new IK setup. Alright. For the FK in here, same things. We do a set for the control for that for them. Alright. Control 01. Okay, 02, 03, and then group it. Then I copy the naming. And then we do the naming in here. Oops, I think wrong already in the naming. Sorry naming 点错掉去了。这个这样子才对的。错掉了。Alright, okay. And now we'll do the grouping. Alright, and then we parent the controllers. So one by one. Modify mesh transform mesh all. 1, 2, okay, sorry, and 3. Oops. This one to here. Modify mesh transform mesh all. Okay. The first one will be here. So the sizing we can tweak it 调整一下那个 sizing. Okay, we can tweak the sizing like this. Select all together, and then you press scaling. Go to here, press object. Then you can scale like this. If you are using default, when you scale, they will go out. So you can go to object, then you scale. They will based on their own controller to scale it. Okay, we can do like this. Alright, then it's done. Now we do the FK setup first. Okay, FK arm. Okay, this one to this. Constraint parent, second, and the last one. Alright, so test it out first. Oh, this one wrong already. 第一节坏掉了. Okay, first one to here. Constraint parent. Okay, so test again. Oops. 这个不是这个吗? Oh, sorry. I forget to do the parenting. My bad. Okay, parenting here. Now should be work. Okay, first, second, and third. Alright, so now IKFK is already being fixed. So this one let me unparent first. 这个不要跟这个不要. Okay, and the IK controller will carry this one. This one is the IK controllers. This one is the FK controllers. FK arm group. Okay, and this one is IK. This one is the lamp controller here. Alright, and you can do the connection. Now we got 3 sets of arm here. The one is the base. 这是我们的 base 的。base 的现在是 we only carry is the skinning without any connection. Okay, without any connection. This one is FK arm. This one is IK arm. Now you guys need to connect one by one. Okay, IK, FK to number 1, constraint parent. Okay, then you got two connection in here. Second will be here. Okay, IKFK to second. Then lastly will be third. Okay, IKFK to third. Then connect again. So each of them we got the connection in here. IKFK, IKFK, and IKFK. Okay, each of them got their own connection in here. Alright, now that I can change it. Let's say I want to follow IK. The FK I just turn into 0. Then the IK controllers, I can move around. If I want to follow FK, here I can change it. FK, FK. Oops, I forgot to change 0 here. 这忘记放0了。Alright, so now it's following FK cell in here. So FK can rotate. This one is FK. This one is FK. The lastly, because the last one I haven't connected yet. Okay, so this is how you set up the IK and FK. Alright, and then lastly, let me reset it back first. Okay, for the lamp. Okay, lamp controller group be here. Okay, using this one, the last join, constraint parent, the lamp arm, constraint parent. Okay, so it will follow right now. Okay, no matter IK and FK, it will still works. Now it's going to be half lah. Sorry, I'm in the IK right, in the FK right now. Oh, sorry, FK doesn't need the last one. FK doesn't need the last one, so it'll be like this. Okay, 这样就可以了. Okay, lastly. Then the next week I'll teach you guys how to do the IKFK switching. I'll put it in here. Then later you guys can refer back to the videos. So this one is IKFK switch. So all this value I can just hide it later on. Let me group it up. I'll move to here. Maybe here. Slightly bigger. Let me change some shape 啊，放了就好了啊。放了 ，OK。Lock and hide. I don't need this. One more attribute for me. IKFK. Float, minimum and maximum 0 and 1. Edit. Okay. So right now we're gonna do is call as the. There's a two way to work it lah. I think you guys better one for the using the node editor. Easier for guys to see lah how it works. Last time I'm teaching is using the set join key. That one slightly slower a little bit. Okay, node editor. We need the controllers. This one no need. Remove it out first. Then we'll bring all these constraint. Okay. These three, we need the constraint. 1, 2, 3. Bring it inside. Okay. So we can press T, press number 3 to see. You guys need to find this one. IKFK arm. 我们找这个东西吧。IKFK arm. 有点不一样。Okay. Then we connect this one. This IKFK. One is E is also FK. 1 is FK. 0 is IK. So we put into all FK first. 全部把它拦进去先。全部拦进去先。Okay. And then bring one more out. I will tap it. Reverse. Okay, reverse. Put it inside. Input 1, 2, 3. 全部拦进去。Okay. Output to the IK. Alright, so right now, where 0, we can check it. Where 0 is 1, okay? And then where is 1, then it change to FK. So 代表1的话是 FK. So make sure all of them are FK. Normally it will be same one because you are using connecting the same things. Okay? Unless you are selecting FK, IK, then connect it. So the order will be switched. So better your order, make it correct, then connect inside. Reverse is numbers, it flip the number for you.
老师，你是按 T 还是开大的？
1, 2, 3.
1、2、3。
1是最小的。 2是有 connection 的，3是全部。你们去用是按1、2、3来算 ，OK？Pressing 1, 2, 3 change it，OK？So now it's complete already，OK？
按那个什么 save 什么这样那个。
我不明白你讲什么。The bone you can parent it to here, base rotation, put it inside, then you hide it. It doesn't need to see them anymore, okay? And then now when you can try it out. Right now it's on FK. How to see FK or IK? When you click on this text, middle click to left, you'll be here. Middle click to right, you'll be here. So left is IK, right is FK. So now it's FK mode. So I can change it, I rotate it. So test out, you see it works. Okay, it works ma. Can be works, okay? Let me change to FK. FK control be here. Then move. Okay, can be works. Here also can be works. Okay, now it's finished. 就这样子报，做完了。Okay. I think this control might need to like bigger size for it. 太小个了，不好做选择。Okay. So IK set up. Okay. And then FK set up. And after it, all the connection is done already. We need to do clean it up. When we show FK controller, we're gonna hide the IK setup for here. Okay, we go IK, we're gonna hide the FK setup. So for this one, we're gonna set up the group of them. Okay, all this group, we're gonna select it. Let me parent it first before I do it. IK arm, FK arm, parent to here. Okay, and then this lamp also put it inside. Just put it inside, and we'll be fine. IK FK switch also put it inside here. Okay, this one, the rotation. You want to put master also can. You want to put master also can. Okay, so right now we do the visibility for this. Okay, same things. You can bring out the node editor. Node editor, bring out. All this it doesn't need anymore. Okay, don't press delete. You press delete, the constraint node will remove for you. If I select here, I press delete, you can see the node will remove. If you don't want to see it here, there's a minus icon. Just click. We'll just temporarily remove it from here. Okay, you want to see it, press on this plus icon. It will be inside for you. Alright, now we need to find for the controllers. So control for IKFK. Select these two group, put it inside. Okay, visibility. Okay, same things. This one I can just using back the node here. Output from here to the visibility. Okay, number one will be right now is 0 0 means is 0 是 IK, 0 is IK. So here we put it visibility here first, and then normal we put it here. Alright. So if you reverse, then let me check first. Right now is IK. Oops, wrong already. 错了。This one should be here. This one should be here. 对吗？倒转了，flip already. My bad. 倒转了。Okay. So right now is IFK. So showing FK controllers. When switching, you only IK controller show up. Okay, that's simple. Okay， 就是换一个报 reverse 这个，做错你们就 connect 回去报，拿掉再 connect 回去就可以了。Okay, it's wrong, then you just connect back. That's simple. Alright, so that's how you do it. Okay, now the joint can just hide it already. Doesn't need to see them anymore. Okay, all these things like those IK candle, you can just hide it. Only keep the controllers. Okay, the model you can put into reference. Now it's complete. Also the limitation of controller you guys put it inside 啦。Okay, so 就这样吧，讲完了。
这些可以放